Everybody, this is Brandon from Sparksmith, helping you see and be seen. Just wanted to introduce a new product that we just got in. These are replacements for the mirror lights on the 2019 and up Dodge Ram 1500. They do not fit the classic model, they only fit the new body style trucks. And they come in two different flavors. We've got a clear lens, we've got a smoke lens, so you can have whichever one matches the style that you're going for. Either one of them has OE quality fit and finish. They have the DOT and SAE stamps on them. Feels like a really nice, solid, sturdy product. Again, factory wiring, so no modifications needed or anything like that. But they have. So these are also an upgrade from just the factory static amber turn signal. They have the sequential effect on the lights, and you can see again it's like a nice bright, slightly brighter than your factory turn signals, but you also get that sequencing effect. And again, plug and play design, everything bolts right in, and you can find them all on sparksmith.com.